Of course you got.
Don't you be helping?
Of course you got. Yes, I should. Put 1 cup in with
half a cup of powdered sugar. What's the powdered sugar go on top?
What do we have down there? If you have any questions,
no, the powdered sugar would go in it.
powdered sugar is one of the ingredients inside
Okay.
which would make sense.
In with powdered sugar.
It's the-
Marty, don't pan it yet. We aren't even putting anything in the pan.
For a long
Stuff
time.
it in the pan.
Oh wait,
When you
what
get
is
it,
it?
Yeah.
Yeah, we have it cold. Yeah, but what do you want to preheat the oven to? Think about it. What do you do?
350.
No.
335.
350.
I think we should do 415.
No,
Hannah,
400.
what do you usually do?
That's what she said.
350. Let me do it, Connor. Connor gave us how to set that oven.
Well, so does fine.
Okay.
Temperature. Is there a preheat button?
No, you set the temperature and it will preheat by itself.
You have to press.
I don't think that's food.
Connor, Nana, we need
I'm
you.
pressing temperature.
Hit bake.
Hit back.
350, done. Start.
Or stop.
Now,
Now, it says preheat. It'll take 7 minutes and 26 minutes. For it to go be 350 degrees. For it to be 350 degrees.
It'll take 7 and a half. What?
Can I put this thing in?
You guys put half a cup of...
Ava, now you gotta write down the powdered sugar.
You need to put in the eggs
Flour,
and
powdered
milk.
sugar, and
Yes, we need eggs.
if we need to write the.
No, I mean, don't we need to make them in already?
No, that's in a liquid bowl.
Guys, we're gonna figure out the temperature in.
1 cup of flour. Figure it
Half
out.
a cup of powdered sugar.
Guys, I hate to say it, but usually you mix the flour, eggs, and milk.
We know that, but first we gotta put the powdered sugar in.
We already did.
No, we didn't. We have the powder for the flour. We don't even have the batter. Can I put the powdered sugar in?
No, we don't match that.
Flour,
And the powdered sugar in a bowl together.
sugar,
In a bowl.
and eggs and milk.
Eggs and milk in a bowl.
How many cups of milk? How many eggs?
No, we're gonna put the sugar, eggs, and milk. The powdered sugar in first. And then the milk.
Wait, what about the Hershey's powder?
Why are you using powdered sugar now?
Cause it's, I don't know, he gave just one in it because it's like candy. You can get normal sugar.
One of them is granular sugar. You put powdered sugar after the paste.
Everybody gets a piece when we're done.
Okay, so how many eggs
I'm
and
not
how much milk do we need to put in?
I got the
How should we put in? Or they
It's
usually... Sure.
Remember to not put your finger on it.
Okay, how much sugar? Half a cup?
Mix the flour, sugar, eggs, and the
Cup of sugar.
I put right now, sugar. Alright, half a cup.
Half a cup.
How many eggs would you use? We should use 3 eggs.
Did you take off powder?
In a large bowl?
In a large bowl, yes. Okay, so I'm gonna put.
Wait. Stay there.
Is that half a cup?
Yeah. Connor, you can do it. Oh wait, that was blurry. Stay like that.
Kiki, are you getting it?
Yeah.
Okay.
Can I put an egg in? Can I put an egg in? Can I put an egg in?
Here, I'll take the camera.
I got an egg.
Smell it. Morning.
Morning. That's good. I'll do the milk.
Video.
Mason's video, please.
You want 3/4
Jay?
into the same sphere and crack the egg.
I'll mix it. Kiki. Videotape, Kiki. Wash your hands after you.
3/4 cup of milk or half.
3/4. Oh, wait, no. A cup of milk. A cup of milk. It's like camera. Okay. Here, we drop this.
My hands are wet.
Okay, that's
It
fine.
can ruin the thing. Yeah, I can hold it.
Okay.
Honey, I can hold it.
Cup of milk.
1 cup of milk. Kiki, go put it in the sanitizer. Kiki, your fingers are not all the way dry.
Let me get a spoon. Marty, Avery, you shouldn't have put a period here. Because you should have gone a cup of milk in a large bowl.
Then
That enough?
mix.
Yep.
Mix together. Ava, stay there. Ready?
Now pour it in. Pour it in, Avery.
Wait, Ava.
Just pour it in.
Okay, go ahead.
Now, do we mix?
Yes.
Let's go get.
I'm going to mix.
Everyone gets a turn mixing. I want to mix. Wait, Ava, can you hold the camera? Ava, can you hold the camera?
You don't need the whip.
Ava, can you hold the camera?
We can mix with this.
Can I mix first? Can I mix?
I'm smashing the eggs, Kiki.
Then can I mix?
No.
Gabe, you can just mix it. It'll go Gabe. It'll go Gabe, Kiki, Mason, Marnie, and
Oh,
me.
no, Avery, too much milk. We need more powdered.
We need
Powder.
Flour?
Flour, yes.